you get the find the tangent of the obtuse angle problem on your exam, would you be able to find it? If not, watch this video till the end, cause these are your free points. We find sines, cosines and tangents in right triangles, where hypotenuse is always across the right angle, while other two legs are what created the right angle. So, to find the sine of some angle, all you have to do is to divide the leg across this angle by hypotenuse. To find the cosine, you have to divide the adjacent side by hypotenuse. To find the tangent, you have to divide the opposite leg by adjacent leg. But how do we find sine, cosine, tangent of the obtuse angles? After all, obtuse triangles don't have any legs or hypotenuse. Okay, for example, we need to find the tangent of this obtuse angle. But instead of finding the tangent of this obtuse angle, we will find the tangent of the angle adjacent to it, and that is acute angle. To do this, we add two more lines to get a right triangle, and then we find tangent after counting the legs. So the opposite leg is 3, the adjacent leg is 4. 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. The tangent of the acute angle is found, and the tangent of the adjacent obtuse angle will be the same, only with minus. So it turns out that to find the tangent of the obtuse angle, you have to find the tangent of the adjacent acute angle and add minus. To find the cosine of the obtuse angle, you have to find the cosine of the adjacent acute angle and also add minus. But to find the sine of the obtuse angle, you have to find the sine of the adjacent acute angle. And that's it, because sine of the obtuse angle equals the sine of the adjacent acute angle. Now, a question for you. Can you find the tangent of this obtuse angle yourself? Write the answer in the comments and I'll check it out.